Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today let's talk about AMD. This is the first time I am analyzing AMD on my YouTube channel. Some of you guys asked me to analyze it, so let's do a complete multiple time frame analysis on it. Let's talk about the 1 hour, daily and weekly charts and see what's in for us over here, right? So let's start our analysis by looking at the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, we do have a bull trend. AMD did a double bottom chart pattern over here, right? This looks like a double bottom to me, at least. It found a support level around this black line down here, around 101. And we did trigger this double bottom chart pattern. Now we are going up as usual. It seems we have a secondary resistance level around 119 over here, this black line up here. However, I think we have decent chances of retesting the previous resistance at $124. And what's more, we have an open gap at $132 over here. I firmly believe this gap is going to be filled in the future. I just don't know how or when, but I firmly believe it will. AMD always fills the gaps that appears above the price, and this is one of them. So I think with a 100% of history of success of filling gaps above the price, AMD is going to fill this gap as well in the future. Now, in the daily chart, we are looking quite good. Okay, I really like this situation. AMD was quite bearish. I mean, you may still say that AMD is slightly bearish. Maybe if you set a trend line like this, maybe it's gonna make sense, right? It doesn't make too much sense to me, but right now AMD is on what I like to call early stages of a reversal. In the daily chart, we can see the double bottom chart pattern as well. What's more, AMD is turning bullish because it is doing higher highs, higher lows, as we can see over here. It is doing micro bullish structures in the daily chart. And what's even more interesting is that the lows are being held by the 21 exponential moving average. Look at how the 21 EMA is working as a support for AMD after it broke it for the first time on March 16. So this point is working as a very nice support level for AMD. It is doing bullish structures all around in the 1 hour and in the daily chart. So to me, despite the idea that we are far from the all-time high, we are slightly bearish, right? I think AMD is reversing the trend given the key points I mentioned in this analysis. So we are reversing and it is looking very, very good. Of course, it is not looking as good as your like button, as your support. I mean, are you my subscriber? Please, my dear friend, click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because you're gonna find daily analysis on Tesla, on many other stocks, which I think are going to be very, very helpful to you. So please consider subscribing. It is for free, right? So right now, AMD is reversing, and this is a very good situation for AMD. I think AMD is a buy. Okay, I think it is a buy, especially because we just retested a very important support level on it, which is this black line at $99.67. But before we continue, if you want to be a swing trader like me, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. This is the best newsletter you're gonna see around, okay? It is the only one which results are totally public. I made all my trades public over here in this document. You may just click here to check my past results. Every single one of my past trades are all here. Every single result of every single trade, and our performance is quite good. We are beating the S&P a lot by a mile. We are doing amazingly well, so we can consistently beat the market using an active management strategy as swing traders. Just join me. Just like your subscription, which is for free, you will have 7 days trial, so the first newsletter is for free as well. So subscribe at my trading newsletter. Now, AMD, if you look in the weekly chart, In the weekly chart, we can see better why 99.67 is the most important key point on it. I mean, it was a resistance level on January 2021. It was a support level 3 times on September and October 2021. It worked as a support again on January 2022, and right now it seems it found a support level again on March 2022. So we hit this support level. We did a crystal clear bullish candlestick pattern, a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. It's the name of this pattern over here in the blue rectangle, bullish candlestick pattern. Bullish engulfing, I'm so sorry. It's hard to speak and type at the same time. Oh my god, engulfing. I'm sorry guys, I'm not that smart, okay? I'm just a retail trader who analyzed the market. So it did a bullish engulfing over here, and what's more, we just hit the 21 exponential moving average in the weekly chart. This point might work as a short-term resistance level on AMD, okay? Short-term resistance. In the end, if you ask me, AMD is more bullish than bearish. I think we're gonna break the 21 EMA, and I think this support level is stronger than the resistance at the EMA, especially because, well, it is a quite relevant support level, and because in the daily chart, we are already doing bullish structures. So even if we see a pullback, I think a pullback over here is going to be short-lived. What's more, look at the volume over here increasing in the past, well, since January 24. The volume increased like crazy when we went below the 21 EMA, when we were near this support level. So I think according to my reading, guys, and again, this is just my personal opinion, my humble opinion as a retail trader like you, like everybody else over here, I think the smart money is buying AMD at the support level, okay? The volume is increasing, we see bullish structures going on every time we hit the support level. Right now, we are about to face a short-term resistance, but I think this point is going to be defeated in the future, in the near future at least, right? I don't know if we're gonna see a pullback before that or not, but in my humble opinion, AMD is looking very, very bullish. I really like how it is behaving right now, and I think it is a buy. However, we'll see, right? We'll see, only time will tell. If we lose the $100 area again, okay, maybe you're gonna see a sharper pullback. Maybe you're gonna trigger a head and shoulders, a gigantic head and shoulders chart pattern, and AMD is going to turn bearish for the next decade. Oh my god, maybe, right? But so far so good. AMD is behaving very, very nicely. I think it is looking very good. Again, just not as good as your subscription, my dear friend. If you watch it so far, you probably like it, the content, so please support this channel, and thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe, farewell.